welcome to the Paper Cup Garden. Today is August 28th, and I am going to be putting my hostas in the ground. This is the hosta the pot overwintered over in the garage. So this is its season 2, and it's come back nicely. Following the exact same journey as pot number 1 there, we came up with these ones this year. We also came up with these ones. So this is just a contrast of potting outside in a nice bigger pot for the roots to grow, and leaving by a window inside in the same shallow pot. But I will be putting everything in the ground today in preparations for the fall season and the upcoming winter. So here we are over at the side of the house. I know I did mention I was going to put them on the far side of the house before, but those weeds have been cleared out. And the grass is starting to look a lot better over there. So I still might move them over there, but for the next couple of seasons, they're going to go right here. This is one I transplanted from the backyard last year, so it's its first season here, and I'm going to put these in here and see how they fill out over the next couple of seasons. So here are the hostas in the ground. So once again, this is the second season for this guy over here. First season over here. Same first season, but in the indoor pot, shallow. And the roots are quite small, of course, so I'm not sure how they're going to do in this transfer. But now I'm just going to water these up and get them ready for the fall and the winter. Thank you for watching the Paper Cup Garden's Hosta journey. As always, if you enjoy